Guys, welcome back with another amazing tutorial. In this tutorial I'll help you that how you can create your own template in Capcut. So this is simple step I have do to create own template in Capcut. So you want to create a template in Capcut. First of all, open your Capcut first. After selecting your project or your template, after doing all editing, effects, overlay, ratio and everything set, then click on export. After exporting, if you have the option of share to your template, you will be a pro editor or a regular editor to have the option of create your template. If you are not that option, so you have to do first click on others. Still have not option, so you should become a regular or pro editor first. After becoming a pro editor or regular editor, you will be show the option of share to your template. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.